This video is about connecting the Montana sound unit to the TV. Most new TVs come with CEC and ARC technology. CEC allows the TV's remote control to adjust the volume on the Montana sound unit. ARC allows the TV sound to be sent via the same HDMI cable back to the Montana sound unit. We're going to connect our Montana sound unit to the TV by using HDMI with ARC. It will say ARC on HDMI 1, 2 or 3. Here it's HDMI 1. We connect our HDMI 1 cable. Take the other end and connect the cable to HDMI out on the Montana sound unit. Now we've connected the HDMI cable, enabling us to send the TV sound through the Montana sound unit to the speakers, and we can also connect all our HDMI products to the Montana sound unit and send the images back to the TV. This is a newer TV with HDMI input with ARC. This enables it to communicate with the Montana sound unit by sending the images to the TV, and then it can send the sound back to the Montana sound unit to the speakers through the same HDMI cable. How do we set it up? Set up the Montana sound unit by selecting System Setup. Select HDMI and turn CEC and ARC on. If they are not on, the Montana sound unit can't communicate with the TV. Check that CEC is on. Press Return to check that ARC is on. Press Return again. Now the Montana sound unit is set up to communicate with the TV. But it takes two to tango, so we also have to set up the TV to communicate with the Montana sound unit. Go to Settings. It varies from TV to TV. Go to External Input. On a Sony TV, we select Bravia Sync Settings. Here you can see that it's off. Turn it on. Or else the TV and the Montana sound unit can't communicate. Now we're good to go, and the Montana sound unit can be controlled via the TV, and we can use the remote control to adjust the volume. Let's turn it off. Turn off the Montana sound unit. Now we've synchronized the TV and the Montana sound unit, so when you turn on the TV, it will automatically find Montana MSU and turn it on. In other words, the two are connected. Another smart feature of having the Montana sound unit connected to the TV via ARC and CEC is that we can put away the Montana sound unit remote control and use the Sony remote control. In other words, you can adjust the volume of the Montana sound unit with the TV remote control. Now we're going to connect our TV to the Montana sound unit. This is an older TV without HDMI with ARC, so we need an optical or a coaxial cable. Here we have an optical output. We'll connect our optical cable to the TV. Click. Then we'll connect the other end of the optical cable to our Montana sound unit. Now we've connected our TV via the optical output to the Montana sound unit's optical input. To get the TV sound via the Montana sound unit out through the speakers, you have to select the right input. As we've selected the optical input, you select optical, and you'll hear the sound. Give away your old device and listen to Montana.